Continue BigQuery's last-minute cheat sheet. I went through BigQuery's structure in the previous video. Now let's take a look at how to secure BigQuery's resources. Access control is through Cloud IAM. BigQuery namespace is global within a project. Datasets are multi-regional or regional. The basic rules for projects are viewer, editor, and owner. For dataset are reader, writer, and owner. BigQuery provides predefined rules for controlling access to resource on project, dataset, table, or view level. IAM applies to datasets by using authorized views to restrict at a fine-grained level. Cloud IAM grants permissions to perform specific actions. BigQuery provides fine-grained access to sensitive columns using policy tags or type-based classification of data. The impact of column-level security on views is independent of whether or not the view is in an authorized view. In both cases, column-level security is enforced transparently. Next one in BigQuery's security is encryption at rest. BigQuery automatically encrypts all data before it is written to disk. The default encryption at rest for BigQuery objects data and metadata is encrypted on AES. You can manage the key encryption keys with the Custom Manager Encryption Keys (CMEK) in Cloud KMS system. If you want to encrypt individual values within a BigQuery table, you can use the authenticated encryption with associated data encryption functions. To help meet compliance requirements, use Cloud Data Loss Provision (Cloud DLP) to scan your BigQuery tables and to protect your sensitive data. Now let's move to interact with BigQuery. I won't spend time explaining interaction methods such as Web UI, BQ commands, REST API, and client libraries. Also, if you have the knowledge of SQL, then there's no challenge to review the standard SQL and legacy SQL yourself before the exam. Highlight the topics that I think you should study more before the exam. The first one, querying multiple tables using a wildcard table, like you see in this example, and filter with the table suffix between in the query, like you see in this one. Second, previous queries are cached to avoid charges if run again. Third one, user-defined functions, UDF, is combined SQL code with JavaScript, SQL functions, or combined SQL queries with programming logic. It allows much more complex operations such as loopers, complex conditions, etc. The best practice for UDF is avoid using JavaScript user-defined functions. Use native UDFs instead. BigQuery can query data directly from cloud storage, Bigtable, SQL, and Drive. Support format are Avro, CSV, JSON, ORC, and Pocket. Pay attention to the limitation and the permissions for this kind of operations. I will go through more BigQuery last-minute cheat sheet in the next video. Thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe to my channel for more great cloud computing learning tips. See you next time.